Hey there! If you're like me, housekeeping can sometimes feel like a never-ending battle, but fear not, I've got a list of must-have gadgets that make cleaning effortless. And guess what? You can find all these gadgets on Amazon, link in the description below. Let's dive in. First up, the robot vacuum cleaner. This little guy is a game changer. It roams around your house, picking up dust and debris without you lifting a finger. Perfect for those busy days when you just can't find the time to vacuum. Next, the cordless stick vacuum. Imagine a vacuum that's lightweight, versatile, and doesn't tie you down with cords. It's perfect for quick cleanups and reaching those tricky spots. Trust me, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Number 3, the steam mop. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. This gadget uses steam to disinfect and clean your floors, leaving them spotless and safe for kids and pets. Plus, it's super satisfying to watch the grime disappear. Coming in at number 4, the Multisurface cleaning robot. This one's a multitasker. It can handle different surfaces, from hardwood to carpets and even tiles. It's like having a tiny cleaning crew at your service 24/7. Finally, for all the cat owners out there, the SelfCleaning Litter Box. This gadget automatically sifts and removes waste, keeping your home odor-free and your feline friend happy. No more scooping, just set it and forget it. So there you have it. 5 essential gadgets for effortless housekeeping. All these gadgets are available on Amazon. Link in the description below. Make your life easier and your home cleaner, starting today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips and tricks. See you next time.